Hello everyone, hope everyone's doing great. Welcome to the lecture 4 in the pharmacology series. Today we will be talking about autonomic, endocrine, antihistamine, and autocoids. So let's get started. So some of the topics we will be covering in this video include adrenergic receptors, cholinergic receptors, blocking agents, so adrenergic, cholinergic, and others, endocrines, antihistamines, and autocoids. So let me give you an overview on the autonomic nervous system because I think it's going to flow really well with the cholinergic and adrenergic receptors. So autonomic nervous system is split into sympathetic nervous system, and parasympathetic nervous system. So sympathetic nervous system, also known as fight or flight nervous system, and parasympathetic is also known as